guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olly and this is Olly rebranded, a place for all entrepreneurs trying to find out information about business and personal development as well. So I release videos every week, so kindly subscribe and join the family, and let's get onto this video. Anyway, I hope you are aware that I've actually done a part 1 of this video on my channel, and it comprises of 2 other tools that I adore and I love that I use for my business. Best of all, these tools are free. One tool is amazing for marketing. If you want to create posters, if you want to create graphics or designs, definitely do check it out because it's a free tool. It's a DIY one, so you're going to be able to channel your inner creative. And the other tool is an online file transfer that has helped me share files and photos across my laptop and phone without altering the quality whatsoever. So if you haven't checked that video out, definitely check it out. You're going to be able to either one, save some coins for your business instead of hiring someone to do these things for you. You could actually learn and do them yourselves. And 2, you're going to be able to add a new element, a new skill in your portfolio of skills as an entrepreneur. So today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 2 other tools that I am in love with. These tools have actually transformed my life as an entrepreneur. One of the tools is what you guys are actually watching me from, and not my camera, I mean YouTube. It's the second most largest search engine. Most people actually come to YouTube to search how to. And today I'm going to show you guys a few tips and tricks that I have up on my sleeve on how to maximize how you use your YouTube, especially if you're using it to search for specific type of content. So I'm going to bring you guys onto my screen right now. Hey guys, welcome to my screen. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks that I have in store for you guys for YouTube. And the first tip I'm going to show you guys is something known as watch later. Let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to be showing you guys from my desktop. Click these 3 icons and save it to watch later. So if you go to your far left, you're going to see watch later. And if you click watch later, guess what? You're going to see all the videos that I have put that I want to watch later. And the good thing, you can actually remove some if you've already watched them like that. So you just click the 3 icons and click remove from watch later.
Also guys, I'm currently editing and I forgot to show you guys the not interested tab and the don't recommend this channel tab. Don't be afraid to use these 2. YouTube is pushing content on my homepage that I don't want to necessarily see, so just click not interested and the video will automatically disappear from your homepage.
Second tip that I have for you guys is the search tab filter. So what I've realized with the search tab filter is, personally, if I'm trying to find content or I'm trying to find something specific, for example, businesses, you can start with 5,000 Kenya shillings. As you guys can see, my video is number 1, but I mean, if you want to, for example, filter and see, okay, I want a video that's this year, it's 2020, I want one that's very recent. So if you click this year, you can tell, if I go down, it's showing you my videos because most of my videos are this year related. So 1 month ago, 5 months ago, 2 weeks ago. So let's say how to use Canva to filter, and I click let's say 4K. I want one with 4K quality. It's going to filter out all the videos without 4K, but it's only going to show me down here ones that have 4K quality. And my final tip and tricks on YouTube is create links. Let's say we are watching my video. For example, share my from 3 minutes and 48 seconds. So you want to share.
No apologies whatsoever. What happens is
you want to share from 3 minutes 50 that specific part that, for example, Caroline Mutuku is talking about. What happens if you share this like right now? You see, it shows you, do you want the video to start at 3:50? So you just say yes, and then you can share it to whoever person you want. And what happens is when they click the video, they'll see the video from the time that you want them to see. What happens is, if you were watching till 3 minutes 50 and then you share the link, what YouTube will do is automatically start that video at 3 minutes 50. So again, you don't really have to have that feature. You just need to share the video from that specific point, and then when that person clicks the link, that's where they're going to start the video from. My second tool, oh my gosh, you guys, this tool has come through for me heavy. It is an online accounting software. It has made my bookkeeping simple and easy, and everyone who gets invoices and receipts from Yummy Rabbits are usually like,
where did you get this from?
Actually, it's a free tool known as Wave. So in case you don't know Wave has been there for a while. It has pro, it has free, and I'm going to be on the free one as always. But especially if you're a startup entrepreneur, you want to give your customers invoices and receipts, you want to be able to note their emails, you want to, have a portfolio of where my clients are from, especially because I deliver. Where do I deliver most? Is it Mombasa Road? Is it South Sea? In case you want to send out batch emails about maybe an offer that you have their contacts in place. So I love Wave because it's really just made my bookkeeping simple, and I'm going to share with you guys right now on the screen how to use Wave. If you don't know how to use Wave, don't worry, this is a tutorial, guys. I'm gonna show you how to use Wave. Stay till the end of this video and learn how you're going to do that easily and for free. For free. So yeah, guys, let's go to my screen one more time. My second amazing app, it is known as Wave. So Wave is pretty much a cloud-based accounting software. So with Wave, I want to show you guys very easy fast timer tips for you. First of all, I want to show you guys how to create a product or service. You're going to come to sales, and then you're going to come to product and service. So what you do here is you can add a product or service in your company. So for example, for me, I'd probably come here to add a product, let's say rabbit fur. For example, if you were selling fur, 100 bob, we allow this product to be sold, agricultural, then save. So what happens is it gets added here, and as you guys can see, I have rabbit fur at 100 shillings. So that's how you add a product or service. Invoicing someone, just click sales and click invoices, create an invoice, add a customer. For example, we're gonna add myself. I don't exist, but we're gonna just add myself. And then you come down, and then let's say I add the item rabbit fur. So since we added the item, it's as easy as you just come to search it here, and you're going to see it. It's gonna pop up. Boom. And you can have notes here. For example, thank you for being a loyal customer. Remember, we are a phone call away. Save and continue. And you can have a preview of how your invoice is going to look at when you send it to the person. So if you guys can see, this is a preview of how the invoice would look, something like that. So again, not so hard. And if you approve draft, the invoice will be sent. For example, I say approve draft, and then I can say send invoice or skip sending. So I can just say skip sending because I really don't intend to send it. And then this is now what happens if you receive payment. You come click now record a payment. You can click that I received it through cash, check, credit card, PayPal, whatever you decide, and then you can just say it's in the cash account, or you open another account like M-Pesa and submit. Once you've submitted, you can see that it's showing me to send a receipt. So you can as well just send a receipt saying thank you, here is a payment, and when you press send, receipt confirming that they have paid, and immediately it's going to show you that this payment was made on 8th March 2020 using cash. And in case it's not something that happened, just go back and say remove payment, and it's going to automatically not record that as paid. For example, you want to give someone a discount, let's say edit invoice. What you just need to do is add like a negative. So for example, I can add an item here. Delivery is pick up at TRM, and they would have been charged, but we want to give them a discount. So you just add that 60 bob there. So what happens is your total amount is reduced. So in case you want to give someone a discount, just add a minus on the price. I just wanted to show you that part, and then automatically the total is going to be altered. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your invoices. So what you're gonna do, if you want to customize, just come down here to settings. You can choose contemporary, you can choose classic, you can choose modern. You can come down, you can put your logo. You just need to select it from your laptop. The color, the accent color, ours is a bit blue, and then you can add all these parts down here, like the default title and the standard memo you'd want down there. So what you can do is, if you want to create an estimate, for example, you're in the business of services, an estimate of your product or your service before they pay. So you can come choose a product like cooked rabbit meat. I say save. Now this is an estimate. So a customer wants to see roughly maybe how much cooked rabbit meat is. I create an estimate for them, and then I send it to them, and then what happens, if they like it, I can now convert it into an invoice and say convert it to an invoice, and immediately it's going to be converted into an invoice where you can now demand payment and be paid for that particular product or service. So again, it's good, especially for people in the service business. You can be able to upload your receipts. You see, keep digital copies of your receipts and maximize your deductions at tax time. So what happens if you have so many receipts and you don't want to lose track of them? Just take a picture or scan them, put them in your laptop, and then immediately just upload them to Wave, and then you can be able to keep track of your receipts. Vendors, these are the people you're currently working with, people who probably supply for you as well. You can add vendors, counting, then you go to transactions, and once you go there, you go to expenses, and you're going to be able to add your expenses. This is where you can add an income. This is money you have received. So yes, your receipt will be automatically added here, but it's good for you to come and say, yes, I've received 1,265, but I've deducted 215 from my delivery. So you come here and, for example, say I deposited this amount, and then you can say I split this deposit because there's some money that I paid delivery and there's some that I did this and that, and then you save. You can also add an expense, and then the same thing again, you say this is an expense, and you can categorize as well all your expenses. For example, it's a payment, it's an income, it's a wage, you can add all of them here, and all the things that you've purchased in specific, and then again you can be able to keep them safe. You can come to reports to see the bigger picture of your business. As you guys can see, you can have an idea of your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your cash flow, your sales tax, your incomes, your purchases, even dig deeper who is purchasing the most, who is, you can be able to come and see the overview of all account here. Anyway, my other few tips and tricks about using the Wave app is, immediately you start your business, guys, record your transactions as soon as you can. Do not wait for your business to grow and have so many expenses, have so many things to be done, and that's when you're trying to clean up your accounts. It's gonna be harder, it's gonna be hectic, it's gonna drive you crazy. So do them as early as you can. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Part 2 on the tools that you require for your business. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you on the next one. I hope that you have enjoyed my 2 tools. I have shared with you guys my marketing tool, which is Canva, my file transferring tool, which is WeTransfer, my information hub, which is YouTube and the tips and tricks I use, and even my accounting software, which is Wave. I'm going to definitely have more videos like this coming through for you guys, because every other day I'm learning about new software and I would want to use them well and then come and share with you guys. Definitely let me know down below, do you use Wave? Have you used Wave before? Is this the first time you're hearing about Wave? Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Mwah! Bye. Subscribe. Oh wait, there are videos on the screen right now. Check out more of my videos about business, entrepreneurship, personal development, and yeah, let's get educated in 2020. Bye guys.